Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw S-corp distributions and avoid double taxation mistakes. Complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw S-corp distributions, first confirm your eligibility. Ensure your S-corporation has made a profit for the year. Review your ownership percentage in the S-corp. Determine the amount of your distribution based on your stock basis. Calculate your stock basis by adding initial investments and undistributed income. Subtract any distributions you have previously taken. Next, familiarize yourself with the pass-through taxation of S-corporations. Understand that S-corp income is taxed only at the shareholder level. To avoid double taxation, be mindful of how you classify withdrawals. Classify your distributions correctly on your tax return. Withdraw payments in accordance with your stock basis to avoid. Document each withdrawal accurately in your financial records. Consult with a tax professional to ensure compliance with IRS regulations. Keep detailed records of all distributions and related communications. Review your company financials regularly to track profits and distributions. Consider making estimated tax payments if your distributions are substantial. Be aware that any excess distribution beyond your basis may be taxed as capital gain. Always stay informed of the latest IRS guidelines regarding S-corporations. Plan your distributions strategically to align with your financial goals. Regularly assess your S-corporation's overall financial health. Finally, maintain open communication with your accountant regarding your distributions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.